guys, or shall I say hello ladies and gentlemen, so that I should not exclude the ladies. Okay, welcome back to another episode of learning exterior setting in Revit. Okay, like I said in the other class, I said I will keep the project aside. I would like to show you how to create fencing walls and, let's say, footpath in Revit in the most easiest way. You can keep it as a template for future use. Okay, we're going to use that same process we use for our roofing tile. Okay, let's go to file, family, new family, and then let's locate generic model, metric generic model. Nice. And let's open it. Let's try to model one part of the fence. Okay, I don't know which design I'm going to use yet, but let me try it. Let me try seeing if I can have something. Let's say 2200. Okay, and then I would like to offset it by 100. I think 100 is a bit too much. By 75. Okay, nice. And then I would want the wall to be a 150 wall. Okay, and then let me close up this place. Nice, and then close this place up too. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all of them and then move it this center to this middle point and move again. I'm trying to figure out to this place. You see, it's now on the center. It's now aligned to the center, and then press on OK. Now for now, let's say I want the height to be, let's say 1200, and then press on OK. Nice. And then let's create another extrusion here. It should be rectangle. It should be, or should I use curve this time around to create a bit of excitement to it? Let me use curve this time around. Oopsie, I kind of used the wrong position. Let's make it 250. No, 250 is a bit too much. Out of 200, I think 200 should be okay. And then let me make it this way, and then line to I don't know, but it seems a bit awkward. It's not going to look fine. Yeah, it's not going to look fine because the next one will be on the other side. Uniformity 0. It's not going to be uniform. I'm just using my basic rectangle. Okay, this one 300. Nice, and then copy it to this place to move on the center line. I think this should be the center line for it. This place. There's no, it's as if this is a bit too much, but let's just leave it this way. And I want the height to be, the other one we use 120. Let's make this one to be 2100. 2100, and then let's press an OK. This sorry, but this wall is not going to be very nice, if I say. Let me create a sweep. Sketch path, and let's take it from here all the way to this place, and then let me offset them to, first of all, let me move it. Let me just offset it to about 100 mm. 100. Okay, the ones at the end, I'm removing them because I would like to have a spacing. Okay, and then let me just move it downwards. Sorry, let me just move it up a bit. Okay, nice, but I'll definitely create some support to it. Let's say 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one, I will bring it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one, I'll also bring it down, and I guess it's okay. Let me have this down and this down. So obviously this one will be here, from here to here. Instead of drawing the lines, we have all of them at the same distance. Just say copy, multi-copy, and then pick one point, trace wherever you want it to be. Nice. Oopsie. So if you have this template, you can use it for any project you want, as far as you feel this. Oh, and that shall never end. Okay, it means this should not be here. Which means this should not be here, it should be here. So I'll just select this and copy it, multiple copy, and continue. You get what I did? It was interfered, and this one should be here, this one should be here, and this one should be here. Okay, and then press on OK. We have our path clean, and then edit profile. It will ask me which level do I want, and then just open any that I can see, and let me create a rectangle to reduce poly count. Like I said, poly count is very important to keep note of poly count. I think 20 by 20 should be okay for me. I will align this, I will align it to this place, and then move again. from this place to this place. Now is at the center. Okay, click here and then done, and you are done. Let's go to elevation and you are done. Let's go to our 3D mode and you are done. You have something nice. I can either cross it or make something out of it, but let's just leave it this way for now because we are kind of in a time schedule. You can cross it, you can create any design you feel like is okay for you. Now we are done with this. We are done with this one. We are done with it, and let's open up a line based generic model, which is this here, and open it up. Okay, then locate which one is your file, which one is your family one. Elevation pack, I guess. Yeah, this is the one. And let's say load into project. Into which project? Into family 2, and then press on OK. We have it here, and then escape. Let's move our reference. And let me align it. Always lock it when aligning. Always lock it. Nice. If you lock it, it will not move from the post you put it, from the place you give it. So I will need to array it. Press on last and then check here and take it to this place. Nice. 2 is okay, no problem. 2 is okay. So from here I would like to create a parameter. Let's just make it an instance and then name it A, just a single letter. Nice, we have it. So this one, if I do not lock this place, let me show you what happens. If I drag it this way, only my reference line goes, Control Z. But if I press on align and then lock it, let me show you what happens. You see my wall, or should I say my fence, follows the line, the reference plane. Okay, now let's do a bit of calculation here. Let's create another parameter, which is the length of our this, which is 2000, because we used 1800. Oh, is it 2000? Cancel. Let me check. I can't really remember. Yeah, it's 2500, not 2000. So 2500, we will create another parameter, which is an instance also, and then make it Z. Nice. Okay, this is the distance of our fence, which is 2500. Nice. And then here is the formula we want. So the total distance of our line divided by the distance of our fence, it will create a linear distance. It's called a linear array of it. So length, capital letter L, length, UGTH, divided by Z, which is the actual length, right? Okay, and then press on OK. You see what happened? It's now created. Then what do we do? Let's save as a family. Let's leave it to our desktop. Let's say fence, and then press on save. Nice. Now let's leave that family. We are going to use it for our fencing in the project, exterior project. Now let's load this to see if it's actually working into our project, and then click on OK. So it's telling me it cannot be because it is first hosted. You see, it's first hosted. So let's say we have a flow, and then let's make a flow, create, go to component, and then click here. From here, click here. Nice. Then let's go to our 3D and see if it's really looking fine or not. Damn, I kind of used Control Z. Okay, Control Z again. Go to components. It's first hosted, so the other time I used this, don't use, just click here. And let's see again. So let me check out the 3D. Now you see is on our shadows. Let me bring out shadows for you to see it clearly. Okay, you see here is our fencing. Very easy. Now you can use this fence for more projects you want to. As far as you have this family, then you can use it for any project you want. Let me show you that of the footpath I said. Let's open up another file, another new family. This time around is generic still. Generic model, generic model, and then press on open. Okay, from here let's make a very small extrusion, rectangular extrusion. The normal feet height of a person is, I guess, it's 300 by 300 because we use that in our stairs. Okay, and let's move it a bit and let's mirror it. Okay, but instead of, let's copy it, no, move it, not copy, from here to here, and move two clicks back, and then move it 2 clicks forward. I believe it should be okay. I don't really know, but no, let me increase it to 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. I guess a man's feet or a woman's feet is going to be like this, I guess. Okay, let's just leave it at 250, and let's create another one. Let's open another line based also. Family, go to your line based model and press here. Okay, let me find, I think it should be family 3. I don't know. Yeah, it's family 3. Load into project family 4 because it's the last one we open. That's family 4. Oh shit, not this, family 3, it is this. Load into project family 1, This is fence. Revit. This is should it be family 1 or family 4? I don't know. Let's check. Okay, project was open, family 4 only, and then let's open it. Nice. No, cancel. Override existing parameters. Yes, do please. Wonderful. Where is my loaded family? Oh, why is it doing this to me? I can't really know which one is which. That's the problem. Load into project 1. No, not here. Here is that of load into project 4. Override existing. Where is my loaded project? Oof. God. What do we do? Okay, let's just do something here and let's see if it works. Load into family 1 and then okay, override. Oh god, not this family 1. Damn it. Let me just close this, guys. No. Let me just close them. Close. And see, load into project 4 is telling me to override the existing parameter and it end up disappearing again. I don't know why it's going. Okay, I think what we're going to do is, since I have this open, I just want to show you what exactly I want. The time is getting too long. I think I don't have anything open again. Yeah, so let's open up a new family. Oh, the time is too much. I just want to show you this. Generic model, and then click on it. Extrusion 300 by 300. I'm tired. Move. Copy. And then oopsie. Control. Let me open up another file, which is line based hosted. Okay, and then open up family 3. Wonderful. Now is family 5, not family 3. And then the person. Okay. Oh. Okay, and then load into project. Oh boy, again. Now it's telling me family 6. Okay, now it's okay. Oh, wonderful. And then from here we're going to have we're going to align here to here, lock, and here to lock. Nice. And then let me create an array. So for the distance from here all the way to this place is 7, no, not 7, yeah, 710.1. so keep that in mind, 710. And then let me array this guy, and last, good. And from here all the way to this place, and then lock and align, and lock. Good. So from here I'm going to create another new parameter, just as we did as an instance a, and then parameter editing. Let me create another parameter as an instance z, and then press on OK, and let's divide the length, shift L, length divide by z. Okay, and the z, yeah, I know, close. And the z, I need to put the actual measurement of the z, which is 710, but I want it to be a bit further apart, so let's say 700. Let's say 800, I think. From here to here is roughly 50. Let's say 760 roughly. I don't really know the distance between them. Then shift L, ENGTH divided by Z, which is the actual distance, and then press on apply. Okay, we have it here. If we press on apply, load into project 2 or project 1, and then click on it, and we have our footpath component is faced base. Nice. Now you can see this is the footpath we created. It's just that the thickness is a bit too much. The thickness should not be much. No, it should not be more than 20 or 30, but I used 250, so you can see this is how it's created. Okay guys, we're going to stop here for today. This video is too long. Thank you very much for following up to this this tutorial. Let's see same time tomorrow. I hope these tips, or should I say tricks, is important, is helpful. You can keep this, you can save it, and we're going to use it for various projects. Okay, bye. Let's see same time tomorrow. Goodbye.